Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela. Today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. So for breakfast, I'm going to be having some bacon for protein, and I always do some type of animal protein in the mornings. Sometimes I'll do bacon, sometimes I'll do turkey bacon, and sometimes I'll do like sausage patties. It's just different all the time, and I can't do eggs because I have an allergen to them. And I'm also having a large size Ultima, which is an electrolyte powder, just in some water. And that's what I'm having in the morning along with all of my supplements. Okay, so here are all the supplements that I take in the mornings. And it seems like a lot, but there's some like vitamin D with K2 in there. There's some adrenal tablets, some omegas, some Candida Clear, which is for your gut if you get candida growth in your gut, and there's some B vitamins and things like that in there, but I take that in the mornings with my breakfast. I'm doing 3 pieces of regular bacon this morning, and I don't think I'll have anything else, honestly. I just try to get as much protein in the morning as possible. Sometimes I'll also throw in a Greek yogurt. I'll just show it to you, even though I'm really not in the mood for it today. I'm really not in the mood for it today, but I usually do this. And it just adds 10 grams of protein. I probably should eat it for the extra protein. But my goal every morning is to always get as close to 30 grams of protein as possible. It just really holds me over until lunch, and I'm not like wanting to be snacky mid-morning. Okay, so here it is. I just took it off of the baking sheet, and that is all I'm gonna have for breakfast. I know it's not that fun, but I'm sure lunch and my afternoon snack and dinner will be a lot more exciting. And I'm also doing one of these Symbiotica elderberry immune support little squeeze patches, and it kind of tastes like jam in there. But I'm gonna start doing these because I know that the stomach flu is going around, and we have family flying in from the other side of the country, so I want to make sure that they don't bring in any sickness or anything, and we get that. So doing one of these. Okay guys, I'm back. I just went to Sprouts to pick up a few groceries and a little bit of a lunch. Honestly, I didn't get that much for lunch anyway. It's not ideal, but it's something. I had nothing here to eat, so I'm just going to show you a little haul. And I only got about 5 bags of stuff. It honestly wasn't much. I picked up some organic broccoli florets that are already cut up because I despise cutting broccoli. It literally goes everywhere. And then I got a big honeydew melon because I had cantaloupe last time, and I just like to mix it up. And then I got a few little snackies because I've just been craving them. I was seeing these and had to try them. They're little sour grapes, freshly frozen grapes splashed with lemon juice and a sour candy coating. And if you know me, I'm obsessed with sour candy, but try to stay away from it these days. So that is a good alternative if it's good. And then I was being bad, and I got some of these So Delicious dipped dairy-free salted caramel cashew milk bars. I showed you this morning, but I picked up some more of these Silk Greek yogurts that I love, and they're made with coconut milk as well. I'm dairy-free if you don't already know. I picked up 2 cherry limeade poppies, my favorite flavor. And I also picked up some organic orange juice. If you don't already know, always look at the ingredients list on the back of orange juice. It should only have orange juice in it. A lot of mainstream orange juice brands have horrible ingredients in them. Next up, I picked up some watermelon spears. I don't love cutting watermelon either. I feel like it's really messy, so I just buy that already cut up. And I also picked up some organic strawberries. They look really good. And I got some of this cocoa whip to go on top, the light. This is so, so good. And then for lunch, I just picked me up a little veggie roll from the sushi bar over in Sprouts. And this isn't ideal for lunch because I love getting in lots of animal protein, so not ideal, but I also don't love like the artificial imitation crab that's in a lot of sushi, so I got this, and I might have a yogurt with it for some protein, but we'll see what I throw together. I also picked up this orange poppy and an orange squeeze Olipop. I really like those mixed with coconut milk. They taste like an orange creamsicle kind of. And then a couple sauces that we love. This is the Thick and Sticky Honey Teriyaki by Primal Kitchen. My favorite sauces are from Primal Kitchen. They're so good, and the ingredients are so good for you. And then I also love this non-dairy Alfredo from them as well. And then next up, I got these churro chips from Siete. These are so good. They're not overly sweet, they're super crunchy, and they have coconut sugar instead of like regular sugar, so that's why they're not overly sweet, but they're such a good snack. And then I just got 2 bell peppers, a yellow squash, and a zucchini. And I got this sticky white rice. We go through this stuff. I make teriyaki chicken and just a lot of chicken and like beef bowls and stuff like that and taco bowls, so we always need that. And then lastly, I just picked up some more animal protein. I picked up these all natural preservative-free sausage patties. I really like this for breakfast a lot of days. And then I picked up a big pack of chicken breast, because that pack of chicken breast will probably last us like 2 or 3 meals. And that was all for my haul, so I will check back in with you when I put my lunch together. Okay, so yeah, for lunch I'm going to have this veggie roll. And I also decided I'm gonna have a fresco with it. Okay guys, so I only ate half of the veggie roll for lunch. I'm also going to go ahead and eat one of these Silk Road yogurts because they have 10 grams of protein, and since I had half of the veggie roll, I'm gonna need this. Also, I forgot to mention my supplements that I take for lunch. There's just 2. I take a adrenal tablet and a Candida Clear capsule. And I just finished off my yogurt for some added protein. And I cannot go the rest of the day without trying those frozen grapes that are sour. I just keep thinking about them. So please hold for a second. I'm gonna grab those. I wanted to try them with you guys because if they're good, I know you want to go get you some of these. It says 45 calories per serving. A serving size is 1 ounce. I have to weigh that. Oh, they're green grapes. I didn't know what color they would be. Oh my gosh. So cold and so sour. I don't even think that it's the sour candy coating that's so sour. It's the lemon juice. Look at them. And I was hoping these would be like more frozen, like actually hard, which I know that I just bought these and brought them home so they could have thawed out a little bit. but I expected the grape to be a little harder. So I'm a little disappointed in that, but these taste really good. It's a good little sour snack if you're craving some sour candy. Really good, but not as good as I thought. I will see you back here for either a mid-afternoon snack or dinner. Okay guys, I am going to do a little mid-afternoon snack. The lunch just didn't completely do it for me. I just don't think I got enough protein in. This isn't actually like, I guess technically it's a snack, but this is just something that I do every day because I seed cycle for my hormones. And I am doing sesame seeds right now, and I do 2 tablespoons per day. And how seed cycling works is for the first couple of weeks of your cycle, you do raw pumpkin seeds or something like that. There's other seeds that you can do. You can look it up online, but I do pumpkin seeds because I like those the best. And then for the other 2 weeks of your cycle, you do another kind of seed. And I was doing sunflower seeds, but I found out when I had a food sensitivity test done that I actually have an allergen to sunflower seeds. So I switched it to the sesame seeds. And if this is something you ever want to try, you can totally look up all the rules online and which seeds that you can use during which cycle. But always make sure that you're choosing organic raw seeds. And I know online, a lot of them specify that they need to be ground, like finely ground, but I don't do that. My doctor said that personally for me, that it's okay to just eat the seeds as is, as long as I chew them up really good. And yeah, she said that she's seen no different effect if they're ground or whole, as long as you chew them good. So I actually really I don't love eating the sesame seeds because it just feels weird eating like spoonfuls of sesame seeds, but I really do love the pumpkin seeds. And whatever, hold on. These do have 5 grams of protein and 2 tablespoons, so that gives me a little extra added protein for the afternoon so that I can make it through until dinner. If I eat something else besides the sesame seeds, I will come back on here. Okay guys, you've seen that I ate some of those sesame seeds for my little mid-afternoon snack, and I also have to take 2 more supplements, and these are called Hormone Balance and Protect. So included in my snack this afternoon, I'm going to have a dairy-free, sugar-free, gluten-free protein peanut butter cup that I have left. There's just one in here. We just get these at our local little like nutrition shop, and they're super good. And I don't even normally like peanut butter, but this is like, I think it's like that PB2 stuff or something like that on the inside, and they're really good. So I'm just gonna have this one, and then I'll be good until dinner. I'm in the process of cooking dinner right now. I am cooking some beef teriyaki, and I put some bell pepper, carrots, and broccoli in there, and I'll show you when it's finished. But right now I'm gonna do 1 Brazil nut because it's your daily amount of selenium that you're supposed to have, and plus they just taste really good. I just finished up with dinner, and here it is. I made some beef teriyaki, and there's some sticky rice in the bottom, and I just sprinkled some sesame seeds on top. But I put some, I think I already told you what I put in there, but I put broccoli and carrots and a bell pepper, and that is going to finish out my what I eat in a day. And I also take these 2 cortisol control with my dinner, and that also finishes up my supplements for the evening, except for my magnesium. And I might pop back on here and show you my little cherry juice drink that I make right before bed. So I'll do that. Little dinner update. I only ate half of the beef teriyaki. I think I'll save the other half for lunch one day. I'll see you soon with my sleepy time mocktail. Okay, here's my little after dinner sweet snack, and I just did some strawberries with a little bit of monk fruit sweetener on there, and some coconut whipped cream. So here is what is going to end my night, my little sleepy time mocktail with tart cherry juice, and I also put some lime Topo Chico in here and squeeze a little quarter of a lime in there, and it's super sour, which is what I love, and it's just a good drink right before bed. And I think this does help me sleep a lot better. I feel like I sleep a lot harder when I drink this and then go take my magnesium. I think it helps a lot. But anyways, that was what I eat in a day on my health journey. It was a little crazy, a little snacky here and there, but that is what I eat in a day on my health journey. So thank you so much for following along, and thank you for watching this video. Please like this and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.